day mga ka-faith friends. Today is May 15, 2024. And our gospel for today is according to John chapter 17 verse 11 to 19. Today's gospel exhibits Jesus' inclination to foster unity among people, such as the unity that exists between Jesus and our Father. Unity that our communities should exist with love, despite of conflicts and misunderstanding. This also tells us of Jesus' happiness when we, His people, are all together in unity with one another and with Him. It is His mission to enable us to know the Father the way He knows us, so that we may be one of the way Jesus and the Father are one. Jesus prays for those who were with Him in the Last Supper room, that they always be in communion with God, and for the protection from the evil that surrounds them every day. Like ourselves, they are to find closeness with God, and protection from the harm even in the midst of the world. For you to be more updated for our gospel reflection, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, Faithbook PH, or i-download ang Faithbook app. Pwede din po kayong mag-visit and register sa www.faithbook.ph. See you again mga ka-faith friends. Don't forget, God first!